Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I wanted to show you what I picked up from Simply Smith Stickers, and this is actually my second order. So once I unbox this, I did want to show you what I picked up the first time around and how I'm using those ones, and then I'll be showing you how I'm going to be using these ones. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, there we go. I think it just got caught up here. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is extra. Okay, so now I'm excited. Okay, let me put that off to the side and let me get to my order, because I think that's a little extra that she put in my order. So that's so nice of her. So let's go ahead and check out what I picked up. And I do see my receipt. So let me get that out of the way. And so let's see. I believe we have some freebies in here. So let's check these out really quick. So we have this cute little one. Oh, look at her bunny ears and her Easter basket. That is super cute. And look at this thank you card. That is amazing. And so then we have this one. So she's showering and I think not having a good day and vacuuming. She has her mask on, maybe paying some bills on the treadmill, sipping some coffee or tea, yoga, and a little birthday girl. So that's super cute. And look at this beautiful washi. I love the print on here. This is so pretty. Oh, and this one is a sticker too. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so now let's get into what I got. Oh, and I left my thing in there. Okay, so I fell in love with her script stickers, and that's exactly what I picked up the first time around, but it just has different little words on there. So this one says this week, and I love the edging on this. So I picked up 2 of these ones, and then I picked up top priorities, and I love the size of these sticker sheets. There's just so much stickers in here. Like, this is a really big sheet and it'll last a while. I still haven't gone through my first order. So these are amazing. There's a lot of them in here. So then I picked up habit tracker. So of course 2 of those. I don't know why, but I love getting 2 sticker sheets of each whenever I order from whatever shop. And so then we have a next week, and then I'll go ahead and link her information down in the description box below. That way you guys can check her out. But then I did pick up another next week, and then I picked up these little trash cans. They're so adorable, and these are in paper. And I just love how simple they are. So then I picked up the weather one as well. I just feel like I want to add these to my catch-all planner and possibly track the weather. So that's how I think I want to use these small little icons. And then as far as this one, I recently started using my 2022 I Can and I Will Rongrong planner, and I do have an affiliate code if you guys want to check this planner out. But this planner, let me see. So this planner has a this week up here, and then we have top priorities and then habit tracker. So for this week, because it was the first week and I just wanted to go with the flow of the color that's on the page already, I went with some purples. So I just left this right here. But say for the next week, which I actually did, I ended up covering this whole side over here. So we no longer see that purple box because I just wanted to match with all the other stickers. And I don't mind this purple here. But whenever I do cover this up and I'm trying to go with a color scheme, like these are not really matching and it kind of looks off to me. And so let me go ahead and show you a blank page. Let's go over here. Okay, so we have the headers here, and look, now we have this purple with pink. So I don't know how I feel about that. So that's where these stickers come in. Whenever I want to match something and these letters on here don't really match, I want to place these on there. And I don't know where I left my tweezers. So I just plan to put this on here, and these are a little bit smaller, which is fine because I do want to add a little box around it, and I'm trying to look for one and see if I have one within reach. Okay, so I found my Happy Planner colorful boxes, and then I was thinking that depending on the spread and the colors that I'm using, I can simply place one of these smaller boxes and then layer it with this header and then just place it right here. So that is exactly what I want to use these for, just to cover up those little headers that are already on there. But since they're color, I prefer to have something super neutral. That way it just goes with any spread. And so I grabbed the next week, and actually the one that is going to go there is this week. So this week, and then I'll go ahead and write the date there because this is an undated planner. And so then we have the habit tracker, because as you can see, I didn't cover it here so you can see it, but whenever I do use something else, like it's going to cover up that one. But if I just leave it there and somehow it matches, I can just place that little sticker on top of there. So that's what this habit tracker is for. And then we do have the top priorities, which is this one right here. So I just love that. I am super excited to use these ones in this planner specifically. Because sometimes I just want to match them, and without these stickers, I kind of feel limited because it already has color on the page. So this is my order, and actually let's go ahead and check out what else she sent over, because this was my order. And let's look at this. So it says, Stephany, just a little something for your new Rongrong. Thank you for all the support you've given my shop. XOXO Christine. Oh, that is so nice of her, because that is exactly how I'm going to be using this planner. Not this planner, but these stickers in my Rongrong planner. Oh, that's such a sweet little note. Oh, I love that. Okay, let's see. So I see that we have my name. How pretty is that? This lettering is so pretty. And I love that because I've never written my actual name in my planners. And actually this year is the first year that I purchased stickers with my name on it and actually put them in my planners. But this is going to be amazing because, let's be real, we never really stick to a whole planner for a whole entire year. At least I can't seem to do that. So whenever I switch planners, I am going to be using these cute hand letter stickers with my name on it. I love that. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, these are clear floral stickers. Oh my gosh. I love this. And I bet she knows my style because I am all about my florals. Look at that. Oh, I love that. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at these. And I think I saw her mention that she is now offering sticker kits for like the Happy Planner. And actually, my Rongrong planner, since it is a vertical layout, these are gonna fit so well. Let's try it out. Look at that. I love these. Oh, these are gonna be perfect. And I don't ever like lay them down like this, like ever. If you see from the second spread, I kind of like offset them, and it never actually goes in the box itself. So see that? And so yeah, these are gonna be perfect. And now I have headers too, and this is just gonna be amazing. I am super blown away. I love the fact that she now offers these stickers, and they're such a pretty print. Look at how vibrant and how colorful and just how pretty these are. Wow. So we have like the decorative boxes, we have the just plain boxes, we have some checklist and some dots and the days of the week and some washi tape. Oh, this is exciting. I love using washi tape, and then trackers as well. Oh my gosh, I am super blown away. So if you're watching, Christine, thank you so much. I am super appreciative of you sending all these extra goodies. I love my order, and I am super thankful. And so I did want to show you the first order that I got. So the first order was for my social media planner, and for my social media planner I am using my Go Get a Girl planner. And so here are the stickers that I picked up. So I got a today, YouTube, to do, work, and Instagram. And as you can see, like I use these for all of the weeks, and I barely even used any. At least it seems like I barely even put a dent in this sticker sheet, so they last a very long time. So as far as how it looks and how I use it in my planner, let me go ahead and show you how the very first week of January turned out. And so this is the weekly view, and there's like 3 sections here, and they're meant to be morning, afternoon, and evening. But the way that I sectioned it off, the top part right over here is for any YouTube videos that I post for that day. The middle section are my Instagram posts, and then the bottom section here are for my stats. And so I went ahead and placed a YouTube sticker here, and then the work one over here. And then as far as the daily view, I used this hourly section as a to-do list. So I went ahead and placed the to-do sticker here, and then I covered up the wording that it had with the box, just like I had said that I'm going to be doing with the Rongrong. And so I grabbed my colorful boxes and then put Instagram on here, because even though I track it in a weekly view, I still do it in a daily view as well. And so this is just my to-do, my Instagram post for the day, and then my stats go down here as well. That way I don't have to flip through every single page. I already have all of the information in a weekly overview. So I just love these stickers. I use them every single week and I just love them. So when I knew, when I found out that Rongrong's planner had those 3 headers, I knew that I wanted to have neutral headers. And so that is when I knew exactly where to go for those. And I am super, super excited to start using these and having that more of a neutral look in my planner. So these are going to be super helpful. And I am just super grateful and blown away with these extra goodies that she sent over. So definitely make sure that you guys check out her shop. She has such pretty stickers, both decorative and functional, and I cannot wait to place another order. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.